In this tutorial, this first video, I'm going to show you the behaviours working, and this is what we're aiming to have on our sites. So this tutorial is going to show you what the end result, finished result, is going to be, and then I'm going to do two further videos that show you how to edit and how to delete. We've already done insert and we've already done display. So we're going to see how those all work together first, and then I'll show you the edit and delete. Okay, so from your page, I have a file here. I've just called it insert and list.php because it's doing both. It's inserting and it's listing. So let's just, there you can see the form there for insert, and I've just used the wizard to create an insert field form. And then here is where the record set is implemented, and there are fields coming across from the record set that you can see over here. There we go, record set, I've called it list, and there are the records, the queries within that record set. Okay, so let's see that working then. If we just hit F12 on the keyboard is the easiest way to save and display. It won't display until it's saved, so it'll give you a little warning. Okay, so we're just going to insert something first. Let's see, you can see how the behaviour works with the database. So I'll just put me in, and I'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see I've put encryption on my password, so it's just showing dots instead of the full thing. And I'll go ahead and be an administrator. You can use radio buttons for that if you remember. Insert, and there's the record. Okay, so I'm going to look at this listing data here in this table first. And here's where the edit and delete are. If you remember last week when we were looking at search, we added a list table and we put the words edit and delete in the table. Well, here's where we create a link in order to edit. And if you see what happens when we link, look at the URL here and you'll see what happens. I'm going to just edit my record. Edit. Now you can see I've gone to the update user page. It's called update user. And then I'm going with user ID. So there's the primary key. And it's record number 53. We can't see that because we've not asked it to display the ID, but there it is anyway, 53. So let's just say I'm going to change my name to just put initial M. And then I hit update record. It goes back to insert and list.php on user ID 53, and you can see here that it's changed to A. Equally, in exactly the same way, we're going to delete. I hit delete. It gives me a warning, which is really important. Don't just have it just deleting. It's got to ask you, are you sure? We're on user ID 53 in the URL. There we go. And there's mine. I can either cancel and go back, or if I hit confirm delete, I'm gone. Okay, that's what we're aiming for. In the next tutorial, so that these videos aren't too huge and take too long to upload, I've split them. So I'm going to put edit, delete next, edit next, and then delete. Okay.